friends, welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, my name's Lissa. Here we do all things Disney princess, mermaids, sewing, crafting, everything along those lines. So if that's interesting to you, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing and a kind of try-on review for my new Belle wig from On the Wall Wigs on Etsy. So we're going to jump right into it. I did do the unboxing live on my Instagram account, so I'm going to play that footage now. Is it live? Hello everybody! This is my first time going live, so that's exciting. So I asked you guys a couple days ago if you'd rather see a live or if you'd rather see like a review thing on like YouTube, and you guys voted for a live. So here I am. I'll probably upload this to YouTube later, so if you're watching this on YouTube and you're confused, that's why. So here is my Belle wig that is... Hi! So here is my Belle wig that finally made it from Canada. It's been stuck in the mail for like 3 weeks and it got pretty beat up along the way, which made me very sad. But hopefully she's okay inside, or I will cry. I got this from On the Wall Wigs. They did my Ariel and my Aurora wigs too. They taped it up pretty good. I can't believe the post office beat it up so much. But she's super packed in there, so hopefully she's okay. Just shove that down there. So here you can see how On the Wall Wigs packages everything. Looks like she probably got here okay despite the horrendous treatment from the post office. So we'll get this all off. We'll get this wig cap off. And here she is! I'm so happy. I was so afraid that it was going to be all beat up when I saw the box. But look how pretty she is! Here's her bun. I'll take off this so we can see the bangs a little bit better. Here's her bangs. So I'll put it on sometime over the next couple days, and I'll take some pictures with it on so we can see what she looks like on. But look how pretty those curls are. I love them. So there she is. There's my Belle wig. Like I said, she's from On the Wall Wigs, and they did my Ariel and my Aurora wigs too, and I love those. So very excited to try out their Belle wig. So now that we see how it arrived, was horrified that it came so beat up, but so thankful that it came in such nice condition thanks to the wonderful packaging. So let's go ahead and try it on, because I haven't tried it on me yet to see how it actually looks on my face. So we're gonna do super lazy wig prep because I'm just trying it on and I'm not going anywhere. Beautiful. Alright, it's actually pretty flat. Okay. Oof, this girl has got some weight to her. There we go. Okay, and here is the new Belle wig. Super cute, so soft. I love her little bouncy curls. This is a little shorter than my last one, I think, but I like it. I think that it's just gonna kind of brush just a bit. I do think the bangs could stand to be a touch more voluminous, but other than that, I'm really happy with it. I think it's comfortable. There's definitely some extra weight back here that is more than on my previous wig. But as long as you secure it with some U-pins like you should, shouldn't be a problem. I know I'm not really looking at the camera, I'm looking up at the viewfinder, and there's a mirror kind of behind it, and I think she looks kind of good. Super cute. Like little swoops. I love the curls. I think the curls are amazing. And so this is meant to be styled after her park style. So not the movie. In the movie her like hair is a lot softer. You don't have the tight ringlets, but I'm a sucker for ringlets, if I'm honest. If I could have ringlets in my hair and just wake up with hair like this every day, I would be thrilled. Like I said, this is from On the Wall Wigs on Etsy. They also did my Aurora and my Ariel wigs. So highly recommend. They're very reasonably priced. There we go. Very happy with it. So my battery died, so I had to change my battery. But the wig is absolutely darling. So I thought I would take the wig off and just talk as me for a little bit. I feel very weird when I have like half of a costume on, like just the Belle wig but no Belle makeup or Belle dress. Anyways, I know, just a short little video for you guys today. I have a couple short little videos coming up in the next couple weeks. Where's the wig cap that goes around? Here it is. Don't lose these things, people. They're very important. Anyways, so I've had a couple short little videos, the past couple of videos, just because life is crazy right now and I have a lot of things going on. All packed up all nice and pretty again. Anyways, apparently I can't pack wigs while and talk at the same time. So, like I've been trying to say, I had a couple of short little videos, the last couple of videos, just because right now life is crazy. I am actually moving, so I'm not doing a ton of sewing right now. I do have some videos coming up that I have the footage of that I just haven't really gotten around to editing. But other than that, sewing's kind of on a halt, sort of, right now. Until I get into a new place. Next couple of videos you see will probably be a little more casual like this. And then my first video in the new place will probably be my costuming and sewing organization, because I've had people asking me for that video, but now everything is in utter chaos. So until everything gets settled down, I do have my last holiday Barbie video that I need to get out there. And I might do some like makeup videos. I know I always talk about makeup videos and then I don't do them. I know, but those would be a lot easier to do while things are getting jostled around. But anyways, I digress. That is all that I have for you guys today for this video. If you're new here, be sure to click that subscribe button down below, and I hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Bye!